The all-new 2026 Range Rover Sedan has arrived. And this time, Range Rover is not just entering a new segment, it's redefining it. Known for building some of the most capable and luxurious SUVs in the world, Range Rover has taken a bold step into the sedan market. And the result is something truly unique. This isn't just a car. It's a fusion of power, elegance, and innovation that challenges everything we thought we knew about luxury vehicles. From the very first glance, the design commands attention. It carries that unmistakable Range Rover identity with a modern twist. The front features a refined grille, sleek pixel LED headlights, and a clean, minimalist look that feels futuristic. But as you move along the side profile, the transformation becomes clear. The long, sculpted body, flush door handles, and a flowing coupe-style roofline give it a dynamic and aerodynamic presence. It sits lower than any Range Rover before, yet still feels powerful and dominant on the road. The rear design is equally striking, with slim LED taillights integrated into a glossy black panel, giving it a high-tech and premium appearance. Every line and curve has been carefully crafted to balance luxury with performance, making this sedan look fast even when it's standing still. Step inside, and you enter a world of pure luxury. The cabin is designed like a high-end lounge, combining traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Soft leather seats, real wood trims, and sustainable materials create a rich and welcoming atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a large, curved touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with a fully digital instrument cluster. Everything feels intuitive, smooth, and incredibly premium. The comfort level is where this car truly shines. The front seats offer heating, ventilation, and multiple massage modes, while the rear seats take luxury to another level, with executive reclining functions, extended legroom, and individual entertainment displays. There's also ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, along with a premium sound system that turns every drive into a concert-like experience. The cabin is engineered to be ultra-quiet, thanks to advanced sound insulation and active noise cancellation technology. Under the hood, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan offers a range of powerful and efficient options. From a refined inline-six engine to a plug-in hybrid system and a fully electric variant, there's something for every type of driver. The performance is smooth yet powerful, delivering instant acceleration while maintaining exceptional comfort. The advanced air suspension system ensures that the ride feels like you're gliding on air, absorbing bumps and rough roads effortlessly. Technology is at the heart of this sedan. It comes equipped with the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. The infotainment system supports wireless connectivity, voice commands, and over-the-air updates, ensuring that your vehicle stays updated with the latest features and improvements. One of the most impressive aspects of this car is how it retains the core DNA of a Range Rover. Despite being a sedan, it still features all-wheel drive and intelligent terrain response systems, giving you confidence in all driving conditions. It's a perfect blend of luxury, capability, and innovation. This car is designed for those who want more than just transportation. It's for people who demand style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology in one complete package. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan stands as a symbol of modern luxury, pushing boundaries and setting new standards in the automotive world. In a market dominated by traditional luxury sedans, this car dares to be different. It offers something fresh, something bold, and something truly unforgettable. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines the prestige of a Range Rover with the sophistication of a sedan, this might just be the perfect choice. This is CarScope, where luxury meets innovation, and every journey becomes an experience.